Lonxlaser G6max. Faster, more stable, more efficient. Maximum linkage speed 120 meters per minute. Maximum acceleration 1.2 g. Positioning accuracy plus or minus 0.03 millimeters per meter. Zero drift during long-term operation. Extra large 6025 processing area, capable of handling a broader range of dimensions. Integrated dual-tube welded frame structure with a maximum machine weight of 5,600 kilograms, featuring an 8 mm blade beam frame. The table supports up to 5,900 kilograms, enhancing overall stability by 80%. Follow type laser head with zero distance dust extraction, offering full protection for safer and more environmentally friendly operation. Ergonomic cantilever design for human-machine interface, providing comfortable and effortless operation. The ultra-high-pressure extruded aluminum beam offers excellent deformation resistance. Standard 1300 degrees Celsius molded refractory bricks for superior high-temperature resistance. Suitable for mechanical manufacturing, sheet metal processing, hardware, handicrafts, and other industries. Lonxlaser G6max. Highly efficient and precise, creating greater value.